My name is Bhushan. I am a corporate trainer and a founder and director of Corporate Excellence, an organization into training and development. I invite all of you in my upcoming confidence building workshop, which is designed to unlock your potential. That is the key for this workshop. And I invite all of you to learn so many things in this workshop. In this workshop, what all we are going to learn? I'm sure you're excited to know about it. The first, the golden key for self-confidence. And I know that all of us need that extra level of confidence, to go to the next level of height in our career, in our business, in different areas of our life, right? So this is what you're going to learn as part of this workshop. Second, how to transform fear and doubt into trust. Extremely important and essential step to build a self-confidence. Third, release the habit of procrastination. Ask yourself, so many times you have told yourself that I will do this, I will do this, I will do this, but at the right time, you are still waiting for. What this is called? This is called as procrastination. I am going to give you the key how to release the habit of procrastination and how to take inspired actions, which is the most important aspect for not only building confidence but also to convert that confidence into what we call as results in our life. Point number 5, we are going to also touch base on some of the basics of emotional intelligence and mindfulness, which are the core essential skills to have a successful career. Point number 6, interpersonal skills for communication. Now, this is what is required when we are interacting with people, when we are interacting with our managers, our teachers, our different students. So, interpersonal skills for communication is also an integral aspect for building confidence. My favorite, how to cultivate growth mindset. My friends, there are two kinds of mindset: growth mindset and fixed mindset. What happens is, over the years, because we have not trained ourselves, we have unknowingly started working out of fixed mindset, which is comfort zone and not allowing ourselves to take risks, etc. etc. I'm going to share with you the key elements to shift our mindset from fixed into growth, and then the journey towards success. Last and not the least, I am also going to share with you some of the important tips to increase focus and self-motivation, because you need motivation in order to feel confident, and you need confidence to keep motivating yourself. So both these things go together. This is all what you are going to learn in my upcoming workshop. It's time for me to announce the schedule of the confidence building workshop to unlock your potential. The schedule is, it will be a weekend batch so that everybody can join. Session 1 starting from 14th Jan, and then 15th Jan and 16th Jan, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Time will be 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Join me on this workshop, and I'm happy to see you there. Thank you, Bhushan.